Alfred Lopez is marked failure to appear, no attorney. Case number 609-846, State of Texas versus Joe Anthony Revias.
Your Honor, this is Mr. Montoya. I represent Mr. Revilas. I've not been able to, good morning, Judge. I've not been able to contact him, Your Honor. He lives at the Haven for Hope, and the number that's listed is not the correct number, so I have not been able to be in contact with him.
All right, well, we'll show him absent and see where we go.
Thank you, Your Honor.
We'll wait. You can wait 10 minutes, Mr. Montoya. If you don't hear from him,
Yes.
I'll excuse you.
Of course, Judge. I have another case anyway, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Case number 618-649, State of Texas versus Carlos, pardon me, State of Texas versus David Franco Garcia.
Now you want me to go back to him? Yes.
I'm getting some sound out there that shouldn't be on. Good, somebody muted. Mr. Franco Garcia?
Yes, sir.
Oh, here we are. Good morning.
Good morning.
And have you heard from your attorney, Carlos Lopez?
I have not.
Your Honor,
Yes, ma'am.
I have a note there on the docket. We have to reassign it.
Mr. Lopez passed away?
Yes, Judge.
Oh my.
Wow, okay. All right, Mr. Franco Garcia,
Yes, sir.
we're gonna assign you a new attorney. Are you ready to do that, Patty?
No, sir, unless he can put his email address on chat,
Okay,
then he can be excused.
Mr. Franco Garcia, on chat, not here, but on chat. You know how to get there?
No, sir.
It should be there on your computer. It should say chat. Okay.
I did this last minute. I wasn't able to get a computer. I'm doing it from my phone right now, but I see it now.
Okay, on there, on chat, put in
Okay.
your address. What is it, Patty? Email?
Yes, sir, I already sent him a note.
All right,
Watch this live on YouTube.
all right. Mr. Franco Garcia, you will be excused after you've complied with Ms. Garcia's request for your email, since your attorney is up in the big court in the sky. God bless his soul. All right.
Yes.
We have a case set for 1:30 p.m. on Lionel Johnson, and Gil Calderol is attorney of record. That's for 1:30. Case number 622-794, State versus Eleazar Cisneros. Eleazar Cisneros. I'll mark him absent at this time. And Damian Saenz is his attorney. Damian Saenz.
He's logging on now, Judge.
Okay.
Attorney, the attorney.
Damian Saenz, are you on now?
Yes, sir, I am on.
Thank you for joining us. Mr. Saenz, have you heard from your client?
Yes, sir, I think he's
Eleazar
trying to,
Cisneros?
yes, Judge, I think he's trying to get on now. Let me text him again and see where he's at.
I'll come back to you after I finish the document.
Thank you, Judge.
Case number 624-678, State versus Veronica Gutierrez. Veronica
Yes, I'm
Gutierrez.
here. I'm here. Can you hear me?
I can hear you, Ms.
Okay, hold on.
Gutierrez.
Do you need to see me?
I do not see you.
Do you need
I only
to? No, no, no.
see it says Veronica's iPhone.
Yes.
There you are. Is that?
Oh, yes.
All right.
I'm sorry. I just got off of work. I'm from night shift, so.
Catherine Valenzuela, I see you.
Yes.
You're here.
Yes, sir.
what
I'm
do you
at
wish to do?
to discuss some discovery with the
I'm sorry?
DAs. I need to discuss some discovery with the DAs.
All right, we're gonna mark you as the first one for conferring.
Okay, Your Honor.
Case set for 2 p.m. Ayanaka Johnson Gilmore. And that's Ivan Barreras, the attorney, but that's for 2 p.m. Just making sure in case they're here now. No, it is set for
I'm
2
here.
p.m.
Attorney's here and Miss Ionica is here as well, Judge.
Ayanaka, well, this is set for 2 p.m.
Yes, sir.
Let me finish the docket and we'll see what we can do. Case 628-903. State versus Casey Mooring. Junius Hicks is attorney of record.
They're in the courtroom, Judge. You see them? Both of them in the courtroom.
Okay,
With client.
Junius. Good morning, Mr. Hicks. Can you hear us? All right.
He's present,
Hey.
Your Honor. I'm sorry.
Present, Your Honor, with client. Case
Is that Mr. Mooring? Mr. Mooring? Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Now I can hear you.
Mr. Mooring, what's your father's name?
Gary Mooring.
What is it?
Gary Mooring.
What about your grandpa's name?
Raymond Mooring.
David?
Raymond.
All right, we'll come back to you in a little while. Junius, what do you wish to do? Mr. Hicks? Junius,
Your Honor, this had been recalled for 2 weeks for the state to look into, see if he was gonna be able to, Mr. Mooring was gonna be able to apply for PTD.
okay. All right. Are we gonna give him what, 30 days?
No, sir, we gave him 2 weeks because the state was gonna look to see if he was eligible for PTD. I
And
think
that's,
Mr. Edelman was gonna be looking into that.
all right, so we want him to stick around?
Yes, sir.
Get over there.
Case number 632-411, State versus Melissa Morales.
I'm here, sir.
Good morning, Ms. Morales.
Good morning.
And Catherine Valenzuela is your attorney, and she is with us.
Yes, Your Honor.
What do you want to do on this, Kathy?
I would like a short reset. Miss Morales and I need to get together before, I would like to have more time with her before I confer on this
How
case.
much time do you need, Kathy?
I would say 2 weeks, Your Honor.
All right, reset 2 weeks, Patricia.
Yes, Judge, I'll send you the new reset, Ms. Valenzuela.
Okay. Yes, Your Honor. And may my client be excused?
Yes, you may.
Okay.
Thank you both
You
for,
can sign up. I'll talk to you later.
Okay.
thank you both for appearing on time.
Thank you, sir.
635-881, State of Texas versus Daniel Vallejo. Daniel Vallejo. Sean Farmer is your attorney. The attorney is marked not answering, and the defendant is marked not present, failure to appear. Case number 642-171, State versus Jacob Anthony Ortega.
Yes, Your Honor.
Jacob Anthony Ortega,
Yes, Your Honor.
where are you?
Can you hear me?
I can hear, there you are. You wearing an orange shirt or burnt orange?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you for your appearance. Do you have an attorney? Can you hire one?
I currently do not. I can't afford one right now. I work paycheck to paycheck, but I'm currently saving up. I'm hoping within the next month and a half, I'll be able to hire one.
All right, hold on. Patty, has he applied for a court appointed?
No, sir.
What do we need to do to get that done?
Well, he said he wants time to hire an attorney.
I thought I heard him say he living paycheck to paycheck and couldn't afford it. Mr. Ortega, are you going to be able to hire an attorney? Do you think you can?
I think I can within the next month and a half or two. But is there any way I can get some information on how to go about being hired a court-appointed one?
I'm sending him a note on chat, Judge, to give me his email address.
Did you hear Ms. Garcia?
I did, Your Honor.
All right. Then if you'll stick around, we'll take care of this matter, at least try to, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Case 642-933, State versus Matthew Kuczynski.
Yes, Your Honor.
Council's
Good morning.
present, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Moreno, AKA Cantinflas. I guess you get that from quite a few people. Huh? For those that don't know, Mario Moreno is the attorney in this matter. And in Mexico, he was a very famous comedian. Mario Moreno was known as Cantinflas. So just a little historical side note. Mr. Moreno, what are your wishes today?
Judge, it's actually Ivan Barrera. I'm filling in co-counsel for Mario Moreno.
I'm sorry. You've been here quite a bit.
Yes, Judge.
What is your intent for today?
Judge, he's set for an arraignment. So he'd like to get arraigned, and also there's a bond modification that was filed, Judge. I'd like to address that with the court.
All right, we'll do that at the end of the docket.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Stick around. Case 643-918, State of Texas versus Michael Villarreal.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm present for
Milton
him.
Butler.
Yes, I'm present. I believe he's on Zoom because I think I heard him earlier in the session.
Michael Villarreal. Michael Villarreal. We'll leave him open for right now. What is your intent for this morning, Mr. Butler?
I'd like to confer.
You will be number 2 to confer if your client shows up. If he doesn't, there'll be no conferring.
All right.
Thank
Excuse me,
you.
boss.
Hello,
I'm right here.
Michael Villarreal.
Yeah, right here on 1072.
Okay, you've got a gray collar.
Yes.
Okay, good. All right. You're number 2 on this list, Mr. Butler. We'll come back to you shortly.
Okay.
650-661, State versus Richard Trong.
Judge.
William, pardon me?
I'm here on Mr. Truong, Your Honor.
Mr. Brooks.
We were reset, Judge, for me to try and make contact. I got 4 numbers and an email address from pretrial services, but I've had no luck with any responses from him.
Well, then we're going to have to initiate an FTA.
Understood, Judge.
I don't see any alternative. So you are excused, Mr. Brooks.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you for your appearance. Case number 654-297, State versus Mark T. Gonzalez.
Good morning, Your Honor. It's Brian O'Donnell. My client is.
Brian, good morning to you.
Good morning,
your client
Judge.
is where?
He is on the Zoom. I saw his name.
Yes, I'm here, Your Honor. Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Gonzalez.
Your Honor, at this time, we would be requesting a breakout room with the state also.
All right, you'll be number 3 for conferring. Thank you, Brian. Good to see you.
Good to see you, Judge.
Case number 655-699, State versus Tarika Bentley. And Nathaniel Navy, his attorney of record.
Yes, Judge. Ivan Barrera again, Judge. I'm filling in co-counsel on that case as well.
And your intent this morning?
Judge, this one's set for an arraignment. We just like to have my client arraigned and get a reset, Judge.
Okay, well, where is your client? I haven't seen an answer or heard.
I'm right here, Your Honor.
Okay, Ms. Bentley. All right, we'll take care of this matter after the call. Thank you, Mr. Barrera.
Thank you, Judge.
Case number 657-375, State versus Draven Gonzalez.
Good morning, Your Honor. Adam Cobb is present for Mr. Gonzalez. He is in custody, Your Honor.
Right.
He has 2 pending misdemeanors as well as a pending felony. The felony is set on April 30th of this year in 11 days. And the other 2 misdemeanors, I don't believe are set today. My intent is to request a reset because of the pending felony, Your Honor.
Reset, felony pending. You want me to recall it on the 30th, or you want me to give you more time?
If I could get more time, Your Honor, please.
All right, Patty, give him a standard reset, see where we go.
May I be
Yes, sir.
excused after that, Your Honor?
Yes, you may.
And Patty, is that via email or chat that you'll let me know?
Email.
Okay, thank you.
You're excused, Mr. Cobb. She'll send you the notice.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. 657-384, State of Texas versus Clemente Sanchez. 657-384, State of Texas versus Clemente Sanchez. It shows he's got 2 other misdemeanors, or 1 at least, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 felonies pending. I guess that's why he's not here today. All right, failure to appear. Last call on Mr. Sanchez, Clemente Sanchez. All right, case number 657-385, State versus Ruben Garcia. Christopher Arce is attorney. Christopher Arce is marked not answering. Mr. Garcia Ruben will be a failure to appear at the end of the docket. Okay, hello. 657-404, State versus Jose Puente Ontiveros.
Good morning, Your Honor. Council's present. I've been unable to have contact with him. I've sent letters to the last known address, and there is no phone number provided to defense counsel.
All right, sir, we're going to show a failure to appear at this point.
Okay.
And you will be excused. Now, if he for some reason shows up, we have his phone number, Patty?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, if he shows back up, we'll give you a call.
Thank you, Your Honor. See you later.
Take care, stay safe. 657-432, State versus Mario Ramirez.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm Joseph Staten. I'm appearing for Monica Guerrero. She asked me to appear for her client.
Good morning, Mr. Stateson. How is the good judge?
She's doing very well. Federal Court Del Rio is doing in person, and she's going to be very busy.
If she's in federal court with Judge Alia Moses, she may not be doing so very well.
Oh, right. Correct.
If you
She'll
know
be
what
there
I
all
mean.
day tomorrow. On this client, though, Mario Ramirez,
Yes,
he pled out of the 175th. The MTR was denied, continued on probation. We just found out he bonded out and he did not call Monica. So we thought that he was still in jail, but he's on bond. He did not contact us. We don't have his email address, but he's on felony probation still. I was going to ask if we could have at least a 1 week reset to see if we can get a contact number from the 175th CLO and his bond company.
if you will do the courtesy of making those contacts and informing Ms. Garcia, my coordinator, we'll try to cooperate, but it's yours and his obligation to show up, or Judge Monica.
I will reach out to him, see if I can get in contact, and if not, I'll let Patty know.
Yeah, check with the probation office. They should have contact numbers and stuff.
I will, Your Honor.
All right, thank
Judge,
you.
are you talking about Mario Ramirez?
Yes,
Yeah.
I believe he's trying to log in, or he's in the courtroom.
with Thelma. You might want to check with Thelma.
Very good.
Judge, I have him here.
All right. Mr. Ramirez,
Yes, sir.
you have failed to get in touch with your attorneys. Judge Monica, I understand you're on probation?
Yes, sir.
All right. Mr. Statson, what do you wish to do on behalf of Mr. Ramirez? Joseph Statson is here on behalf of Monica Guerrero, your attorney.
I need to confer with the prosecutor on this case, and
All right,
afterwards.
You'll be number 4 on the conferring.
All right, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. And Mr. Ramirez, just hang tight, stick around there until we release you.
Yes, sir.
657-445, State versus Joe Gill. Joe Gill, or Hill, Jesse Sanchez is attorney. Jesse Sanchez, attorney. Mark not answering. Joe Anthony Gill, absent. Case 657-449, State versus Bruno Murati.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here.
You are Bruno?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. In the gray denim?
Yes, Your Honor.
Isidro Montoya, he's here somewhere. He answered earlier. Isidro? All right, stick around. Mr. Montoya had already answered on a previous client.
All right.
657-466, State versus Maria Guadalupe Ramos Espinosa.
Yes, sir.
Judge, I'm present for her, Julie Pollock.
Julie, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
And she is present. Good. What do you wish to do today?
I would like to speak to a prosecutor.
All right, you'll be number 5 for conferring, Julie. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
All right. Incarcerated. Case number 657-485, State versus Clayton Randall St. John. Is David Cuellar his attorney? David Cuellar. Okay, Mr. St. John was not ordered, but we don't hear anything from his attorney. Have you heard anything, Patty?
No, sir.
All right, marking him not answering. 657-490, State versus Kelly Hammond.
Judge, that's Jim Ultersdorf. I'm here. He should be on. I've talked to him this morning and over the weekend, and he's not in custody. I heard you say custody.
No, the previous Mr. St. John.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you were calling a group. I beg your pardon.
That's right. All right.
Judge, he's there. He's
And
there.
Jim Ultersdorf, I'd like to confer at your earliest convenience with the prosecutor.
All right. You're number 6 for conferring. Add-ons for this afternoon, just to make sure nobody's sitting here waiting. Sergio Sanchez Martinez, excuse me. Christopher Alonso is attorney of record. It's 2 cases, all right. That's it, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, that concludes our docket for this morning.
Hey, Patty.
Hello? Yes?
Hey, this is Kelly Hammond. I'm here.
Yeah, I told the judge you were here.
Okay, just making sure.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
All right, Ms. Valenzuela. Catherine
Yes, Your Honor.
Valenzuela. Catherine
Yes, Your
Valenzuela.
Honor. I'm here.